What's going on, guys? Welcome to the set of CJ's first cooking show. Not the first episode. This is like whatever number of episodes. In fact, if somebody could actually figure it out, put it down in the comments below.
They could just go back and count. It's not even a hard one.
It's kind of hard. It's like 2.5 years.
My show too.
No, you're diverting.
Sorry.
Back to me here, guy. We've got a special moment.
Why is it always
a special,
gotta be about you?
Because it's literally my freaking show.
Oh, that's right. You're good. You're good. I digress.
We've had a bell for many a year. I think it's now time, Ethan.
To retire the bell?
To
Good,
retire
it's so annoying.
the bell. To bring in the new character.
What?
The new cast of
What?
the show.
Get right out of town.
Let's go to it. There she is, the inaugural. Like, if I wish I had a bottle of champagne.
I was thinking the same thing.
For this special occasion, I thought I would invite someone onto the set to help us take it into the stratosphere! Stratosphere! To my right, I've got my buddy here, Daniel Anderson.
Hey,
one of the founding members of Coast Griddlers. We are going to be cooking one of your recipes today. It's actually the, what do you call it?
Jalapeno popper Showstopper smash burger.
This is how we do it.
But bro, I'm gonna do it.
Inaugural.
You're gonna guide me along the way. How about you take over now and give us the first guest ring it and bring it of all
Wow.
time.
Bring it and bring it.
Here it is.
Here's hoping this isn't the Titanic.
I'm the king of the world. So get on, everyone. It's CJ's first.
Okay, here we go.
Hair and makeup.
Check one, check two.
Action.
All right, guys, we are getting started. For this recipe, the very first thing that we need to do is acquire some bacon. Son of
No, are you
a
kidding?
Cut.
No. Dude, we haven't had a walk of shame in a long time.
That just happened.
Anyways, do me a solid, look around, make sure I'm not missing anything. Here we go, bacon on the Blackstone. Daniel, how many pieces of bacon should we do, bro?
6.
6 pieces of bacon. That's exactly how many we need to do. What's our next thing that we're doing, buddy? I'm guessing it's our cheese, right?
Our cream cheese.
Grab that shredder back there. And I'm gonna get started on this cheddar. Is that sharp or mild?
This is mild.
Oh, this is well, we've got a lot of sharp
his jokes,
flavors.
Very mild.
Oh. Dang.
Not sure I deserve that.
All right, I see how we're playing this game on my show, Daniel Anderson,
Not
who does
wrong.
not have a show. And will this be the last
do
time
have a
on my
show.
show? All right, so here's what we're gonna do here. We've got some shredded cheese that we're gonna put in. I've got some soft cream cheese. Of course, with this, we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper, but while that's sitting there and warming up, we've gotta get to some delicious chopped jalapenos that we're gonna throw on the Blackstone to get some caramelization.
Cook the peppers?
I feel like the heat, does it come out more at that point?
That's just science.
Yes, science.
So we're gonna get those jalapenos on there and let those caramelize and cook, and then we'll throw them in the bowl and start mixing, bro. All right, dude. Jalapenos are done. Bacon is done. And why do we cook bacon? Because bacon tastes good. Pork chops taste good.
Bacon tastes good. Pork chops taste good.
And so actually these jalapenos that are heated up is actually it's actually Guinea.
It's Guinea.
It's Guinea.
Guinea.
I'm getting a little
It's
bit of this
Guinea.
North Carolina twang showing
Hey,
up here, man.
Easy now.
You got that spirit that's coming all over me. Whew, getting the Holy Spirit.
Got the Holy Spirit.
Should we season something? Salt, pepper? Little bootleg?
Absolutely. How about we do some bootleg burger?
This is your recipe, so you can be as generous or as conservative
Well,
with
we're
that as
gonna
possible.
Post us to the must also.
This guy.
You know what? You just earned yourself another ring.
That was pretty
Gold
good.
stars.
Gold
and
stars
no
all
demerits
around.
on the show.
There will be no grades or gold stars or demerits.
Yeah.
Ethan, are you
what
seriously?
in the crap?
Good Lord. Yeah, we're all working.
Amateur.
Jeez. So it's time to move on, my friend. What do you want to do right now?
We're gonna mix this all up with some chopped bacon inside of it.
Now, before we do, will you
Yeah.
please have a look?
All right, it's fine.
Let's
Are we
see.
doing a bacon scale?
This is the first time
So
we've ever done that.
basically, let's see here. You may have
That's
a
an
2.
8.5.
He has 4, 5, 6s and maybe a 2.
Which one's the 2?
Just
Is
Probably gonna
undercooked
be-
or overcooked?
One, there's never any undercooked bacon.
Oh, okay.
Never any undercooked
Wow.
bacon?
Not on this show.
Oh my God.
I take it back.
Wow.
Demerits.
Reverse
You lose
bell.
the bell.
I'm sorry, do we need to,
You have no bird. You have no
we
bush.
need to ring,
God has taken my bird and my bush.
ring it, ring
No,
it?
we will not be ringing and bringing.
He asked permission.
I ring and bring around here. All right.
That is a girthy bell.
That is very...
Quite large. All right, so we've got 4 pieces of bacon chopped up, and we've got 2 that we are setting aside kind of for our last garnish of bacon.
Plating.
Plating of
Presentation.
bacon. Presentation of bacon is always a good presentation, wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely.
Heck yeah, brother. All right, how about you, is that mixed up enough, or do you need to mix more?
Go ahead and put the bacon
Oh,
in
okay.
there.
Ooh,
I'll
dang.
mix some more.
Okay. All right.
A little heat from the
Little-
bacon
yeah, I
probably
was-
help it too.
you literally taking the words right out of my mouth.
I'm still in the dark how this is going on a burger.
Well, your story of your life. You live in the
No,
dark when it
not-
comes to creative genius.
No one think. Whoa, jeez.
Sorry, I felt a little aggressive right there.
Kiss your mother with that mouth?
Dude, is that the North Carolina thing coming off on me? Are you guys
Aggressiveness?
aggressive?
No, Daniel Anderson is a nice, sweet, genuine scholar.
Okay, I'm actually gonna ring it for you because he did acknowledge. Oh, dude, he's like he's on
What?
the business when the bell rings. He's done. Earlier, you said this is important to do ahead of time. Why is that?
Well, the smash burgers are going to be so quick. That way you have all your prep work done and you don't have to worry about burning your burgers. I know that's pretty often on your show.
Do you
so
really have to keep talking
Dang, he
about
keeps
this?
he's
Just
beating that
saying.
dead
How
horse.
dare he?
There he.
I guess
Yeah.
we can get to the patties, right?
Absolutely.
All right, right on. Let's go ahead and get to our beef patties here. Now, smash burgers, do you do an ounce thing or do you just eyeball it? What do
I
you do
just
here?
eyeball it.
Yeah.
I mean, if I get a pound, I try to cut it up in 4s, and I know that.
Yeah,
that's
that's
Wow,
a
that's
lot.
a big one.
Well, we're doing smash burgers, so these are going to be kind of smaller in nature, right?
3 to 5 ounces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. All right, that sounds good. So I think that we've Ethan, based on your eyeballs, what do you think there, buddy?
Those are meatballs.
They look pretty good, or
Yeah,
is
no,
like
yeah.
one a misfit, or is one like something else? or-
Hey, CJ, did you know? How the Misfits got their name?
I would assume
From a Christmas movie.
I'm assuming that
No.
that's not how.
It is after a movie, though. It's after Marilyn Monroe's last movie before she died in 1962.
What?
I was half right.
That's an interesting little
Interesting
fact.
tidbit.
Daniel, why don't you take us there, buddy? Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Whoa.
whoa. All right, Chuckles over here. So we're grabbing our loosely packed, which is important.
Oh, yeah.
You don't want to pack these as if they were like spaghetti and meatballs, or it's mom's spaghetti.
Mom spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready.
So we're gonna go over here in our bacon fat, dude. Gonna
Boom.
set this down.
Pro moves.
You know what? I
We're
like
just
this.
doing 2. There are 4 people here.
Well,
What a jerk. Just do 2 more.
All right, Daniel, go for it, man.
What?
Make us some.
All right.
Take us there, buddy. All right, so we've seasoned with some bootleg burger. Now grab a piece of the Blackstone parchment paper and our Blackstone burger smasher. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give those burgers about 90 seconds to cook. We're gonna get a nice crisp caramelization, a Maillard reaction.
Thank
Maillard
you.
reaction.
Thank you.
And why don't you go ahead and take us there again, Daniel? Whoa.
Oh, that was
Whoa.
so weak.
You just pulled an Ethan.
Sorry.
You're shaming your North Carolina folk.
Maybe that's the opposite. Ethan's so rough he breaks the bell.
All right, man, why don't you bring those buns down over here? Let's go ahead and flip. Oh,
wow.
Look at that, buddy. Now, are we ready for our cheese
Yes, sir.
concoction?
Yep.
Do we just get a
Do
spoonful?
a spoonful on top of each one.
Just a spoonful of sugar helps them.
Medicine go down.
All right, whoa.
Oh, you gotta be aggressive with it.
Let's go ahead and grab our dome, though. Set this down. You know what, Ethan? You never get to ring it during the cook. Okay. Cool. So you like to use like a couple rings of red onion, right?
Yes, just for color contrast.
Okay. All right. So our fresh garnish is here and it's done. Dude, shall we go check the burgers and see if we're ready to do this?
Absolutely.
All right. Let's go.
Is this the moment of glory?
is
The
the
moment I've
moment.
all been waiting for? Oh, wow. Okay.
Why don't you just stay there, buddy?
Dang.
Ooh, dude. See all that crispy edge? Is
Maya.
that Maillard? Okay, so
strip
bacon and then jalapenos and
Yes.
onions or what?
Yes.
So
Okay.
that's it. No other condiments?
No other condiments, amigo. Just gonna crown these little angels, these little
ketchup,
beauties.
no mustard.
And then what's next?
We need to post dust.
You gosh dang right we need
He
to
asked
post
it like
dust.
a question.
All right,
We're
man.
post toasting on top?
I
How would you do it? Wait.
I wouldn't post dust on the buns, but this
Do what
isn't-
you want. Don't
this
worry
isn't
about
my
CJ.
show.
You darn right it's not
I don't
your
have
show.
a show.
You know what?
You
For
don't
the next
have a
30
show.
seconds it is.
Oh, it's well. Welcome to the show, everybody.
Good to see you.
See you. We're gonna post dust.
Look at that. Like a true professional.
Oh yeah, well what about this? What if you go like that?
Bacon fat? Oh, good lord.
Now.
What?
You got some burger
Wait,
buns.
is this you're post dusting the post dust?
And now post dust.
What?
There's some aggressive dusting going on here.
This is actually kind of a pro move.
You darn right it is. You darn right it
Very
is.
pro move.
Dude, we've got a wicked toasted post-dusted bun.
Double post.
Double
Double
post.
post.
We've got jalapenos, red onions, a crispy exterior hamburger patty, smashed hamburger patty, and then this gnarly jalapeno popper cheese. Interesting, provocative. My palate is
A
sensing
certain piquant.
adding the pickled jalapenos at the end, so you get that vinegar punch.
Yes.
As well as the heat inside of the cheese from the jalapenos that we caramelized. Just leave it in the comments below how awesome this burger is and how delicious this recipe is from my man Daniel Anderson. But you know what time it is right now, bro?
Oh, what's that time?
Oh, it's that time.
It is that time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
All right, guys, you made it to this part of the episode. It's a very special part of the episode. Here's what you're gonna experience. I screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
Oh, if you write it,
We read it.
them's the rules.
And I find it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, and then I expose that delicious little nugget of joy
Share,
to the
share.
masses. So here we go. Starting in no particular order at the top. This one comes from Shameless
Oh, no.
Raconteur?
Raconteur?
Raconteur. There we go.
I'm not gonna.
Hip hop.
Hip Hop Anonymous?
Shameless says, I don't know CJ Frazier, and he doesn't know me, but he's definitely high on my recruit a friend list.
Oh.
He hosts the best cooking show on YouTube,
It's arguable.
and validated that ADHD style cooking on a Blackstone Griddle and a deep movie quote memory make for great times.
Long-winded.
Ring that bell, love my Blackstone.
Yeah.
Life's too short for boring friends. Yep, all right, there we go, Shameless. We're gonna ring it and bring it for you, amigo. Here's to the friend I never knew I needed.
It's called Cook, Eat, Repeat. It's a really superior show.
Nah, dude.
How you say that last name?
I'm Paul.
My name's Paul. This shit's between y'all.
Why you gave me that name? Diane.
Wait, yep.
Diane A.
Hey.
Hey, Junior.
Today, Junior!
Please stick with the food without all the crazy inserts. Very distracting, not fun, and all the food looked good too.
Oh, see,
Okay, so
it
it's
was
a little-
honesty. She
little
meant
dig.
it. The food looked great, and you're annoying.
Should we ring it?
Yeah, let's ring.
Okay.
As long as we can all agree, CJ's pretty annoying.
This comes from Daddy Moon 666.
Daddy Moon.
Daddy Moon.
Oh, Papa Moon.
Come to Papa Moon.
And this was on your video. What an annoying couple.
Both of us?
Yes.
Yeah, we can get one. What are you doing in my waters?
What you doing in my waters?
This comes from Just Average.
Just to have this guy.
Just Average.
Just average has become above
He's
average.
all right. He's above average.
He's all right. Was this on my show? Oh yeah, it is my show.
This was on CJ's show. My favorite part of CJ's show is when it's over. Mine also.
Come on, Daniel.
Whoa! Whoa!
Here's my theory about Just Average. He's a hyper passionate CJ's
He's
First
a big
Cooking
fan.
Show lover.
He just gets it.
Yep. Or you just like to terrorize people and make their day that much sweeter with your delightful comments.
Yeah.
That's
It's like
gotta
it's
be
a
it.
peanut butter and jelly. Yin and yang.
All right,
Bert and Ernie.
Here's to Just
Tango and
Average.
Cash. Nate and CJ. Jeez.
The new bell's getting out of control
Man,
over there.
What happened?
All right, this next one comes in from Bruce
Springsteen.
Dolans?
The boss.
Dolans? Dolans?
Dollins.
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 All right. This one comes in from Bruce saying, great recipe. Only would have been better if Todd made it.
What does that even mean?
Dude.
Better if Todd made it.
That is
It's
just
true, but
It's true.
disrespectful. All right, so we will ring it for Todd. Let's ring it for Todd.
Julian.
Let's try it again.
What the?
My new bell's broken. Or
What are you? Bell, Ethan.
bell guy.
What in the? Are you making another one?
Yeah, I'm making more. Do you guys want any?
I could eat another one.
Yeah, I'll have one.
I'll have one more.
Okay,
Thanks,
yeah.
E. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, can you just?
Oh, you had one
gracious.
job. One job.
All right, this next one comes in from
Maria.
Maria. Sorry if I'm saying it so wrong. But she says, okay, so I've literally just been watching every CJ's First Cooking Show on repeat for a few days because I'm pregnant and struggling to eat anything and everything looks delicious. Get in my belly!
Get in my belly!
Also, your beard game is strong. We're gonna
So
ring
we
it.
found your niche.
We're gonna ring it.
Sweet, beautiful pregnant ladies who will eat anything.
There's a market for that apparently. All right, this last one comes in from Rock and Rage.
Rock and Rage?
Rock and Rage says, oh, you know what? You've got the voice for this.
You want me to read it?
The
Okay.
twang,
Accent?
so to speak.
I like to picture my chef CJ with like giant eagle's wings and singing lead vocals for Leonard Skinner with like an angel band, and I'm eating cinnamon roll breakfast sandwiches in the front row. I'm taking this one to the track this year. Rock and Rage!
That was funny.
And singing lead vocals for Leonard Skinner.
Right on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you sticking around to this part of the show where we sadly have to wrap it up.
If you made it this far,
You're a champ.
Good on you.
Thank you.
For this recipe, be sure to go check out Coast to Coast Griddlers.
That's right.
That's right.
And then also you can probably find this recipe and a ton of others on blackstoneproducts.com. Don't forget to go to griddlenation.com.
Ooh,
You can get this
Swag.
shirt, you can get hoodies, you can get stickers, you can get pick up an Ethan. They're on sale BOGO specials right now. So here's a tried and true test if you actually do watch my show.
Don't ask me that.
At the very end of the episode, I might say, this is CJ's First Cooking Show where we cook.
And we quote.
Oh, man.
That's pretty good.
You made me proud, Big Daddy Daniel.
Come back with my
Show.